So how to change your currency on PayPal? So to change the primary currency associated with your PayPal account, you just want to go ahead and open up the wallet tab right here. Then once you've done that, it will pull you through to this page here. So as you can see right now, we have £20 in our PayPal account and it's showing in Great British Pounds. Now, this following method works no matter what currency you already use, whether if that's US dollar, Australian dollar, or something else entirely. But the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up another currency on your PayPal account. So to do that, you just want to select Add a Currency. And then once you've done that, you'll then get a full list of all the currencies available on PayPal. So you just want to go and select the one that you would like to make your primary. So for the example of this video, we're going to select US dollar. Then once you've selected your currency, you'll be given this green tick here to notify you that you have added that currency to your PayPal account. And if you go ahead and click done, you should see your new currency on the dashboard right here. So as you can see, we now have USD available to us on PayPal. So to go ahead and make it our primary, if we click the three dots next to it, you'll then just want to select Make Primary. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. So again, confirm if you want to make that currency your primary. And then once you've selected Set as Primary, you'll then be brought through to this page here, which will then tell you that US dollar is now your primary currency. And as I said, it doesn't matter which currency you want to make your primary, it's the same process no matter what. But once you're back on your wallet, you will then see the amount in your account displayed in the form of your new currency. So for the example of this video, we switched to USD. So as you can see, we now have $25.40, which was originally £20. And if you go back to the home page, you'll now see that the home page now displays US dollar. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.